Hello, and welcome to What is the Dataverse? This tutorial was created by members of SAA's Committee on Research, Data, and Assessment, or CORDA. So what is the Dataverse? The Society of American Archivists Dataverse is a repository that supports the reuse of data sets for purposes of fostering research, knowledge, insights, and a deeper understanding of archival organizations, the status of archivists, and the impact of archives and archival work on broader society. If we have piqued your interest, now you may be wondering how to get there. I want to walk you through how to navigate to the Dataverse from SAA's website. Once you are on the homepage, which you see here, you can navigate to the first option in the menu, About Archives, and scroll down under Resources to Facts and Figures. Click there. Once the Facts and Figures page opens, you will see two ways to navigate to the SAA Dataverse. You can click here, the first button that you see next to Evaluation Assessment and Tools and Resources, or over on the right-hand side in the margin, you can click on SAA Dataverse. Let's use the button for fun. This is the SAA Dataverse homepage on the SAA website. This page includes a link to the Dataverse's collection development policy, which a separate tutorial will cover in detail. This page also includes additional information on submission procedures, which are available on the Dataverse homepage. We encourage you to bookmark this page for future reference and easy navigation. Once you are on the Dataverse homepage, which you see here, you can see the different features of the Dataverse, including this menu at the top, which has a lot of different functionality. You can add data, search, learn more about the Dataverse, see a user guide, explore support materials, sign up or log in. We will go over sign up procedures in a separate tutorial. Here in the middle of the screen, you will see a search function. You can use this to search the Dataverse for different terms, publication years, or various resources, or use the advanced search function here, which includes the name, an identifier, and an affiliation. And these question marks will help you understand what these fields are asking for. You can also use the filter on the left-hand side to sort by author name, subject, keyword term, or publication year. You can also sort by different Dataverses, data sets, and files. One of the data sets that is included is this SAA Dataverse Policies and Procedure dataset. If I click here, you can explore various materials related to the Dataverse and its policies and procedures, including the collection development policy, terms of use in the data usage agreement, data package instructions and steps for preparing materials for deposit, review the metadata worksheet that is really helpful to prepare your data ahead of time, view and learn more about the data deposit form, and also instructions for ingest. We will also be creating separate tutorials to help you along the way. If you have any questions about the SAA Dataverse and what you have just learned in this short video, please reach out to corda@archivist.org. And remember to explore our other tutorials too.